Hey everyone, this is Kamal with Quality Properties. So, you have a property that you want to repair, or you have damages that you want to fix your property, whether you're living in it or you have it in an extra home. Uh, this is the things that you do and don't when it comes to repairing your house, especially if it comes to a big projects like we have a trailer, a dumpster here behind me, a big project like this, the things that you do or don't. First, if you want to do the job yourself, make sure it worth your time. Meaning, if you want to do it yourself, it worth the time that you're gonna put into it versus the money that you will save. Sometimes hiring somebody, it wouldn't be such a bad idea if it's gonna take a while. Where you can leverage your time in doing things more important. Uh, Second thing, you want to make sure that you have a truck or a trailer if you want to do that. And most importantly, that you know what you're doing. That it's that simple. You gotta know what you're doing, or if you have the intention to learn a trade by doing your things yourself, that wouldn't be such a bad idea either. But if you coming into up on a big project, I suggest you to hire somebody that they know what they're doing. Now, the do's and the don't when you hire contractors. First, make sure if you hire someone to have them have a written estimate in detail along with a price tag on it to make sure how much you are paying them to do the work before they start anything. You gotta have an estimate in detail. When I mean detail, it's specified in that estimate what they gonna do in repairs in detail and how much they're gonna charge. That would be the first thing. Second thing would be that you have a deadline, a time frame. How long will it take them to finish the job? 2 weeks, a month, but at least you will be able to detect if they are slacking, or they taking their time not finishing because they have other projects that they're going and they're trying to maximize their profit, and their gain is your loss in that case. So you want to make sure that you are have a deadline. This way, if 2 weeks pass by and they have not done with a project yet, and you have a 2 weeks time frame, then you tell them, hey, 2 weeks is over. Now it's time to, you should be finished by now. And you have something, an argument or a case to talk to him about. Third thing, make sure they license and insured, which is one of the critical things, just in case something happens. Especially, I'm talking about not in a big project, but any work that needs to be done in your property, I believe they should be insured, licensed and insured. And if they are not, that's the reason why they're not in the business to begin with. So, the things that you, and most importantly, the things that you should not do when it comes to hiring someone, do not ever pay a deposit before they start the work. I usually tell the contractors, you finish a project, then you get paid. That's a proper way to do business. Anybody ask you to pay a deposit before they start, now they got you and from your right hand, and you have a problem chasing him now because he got money from you, and you never know if they're gonna finish the job or not. That wouldn't be such a good idea. So yeah, never pay a deposit. Never hire somebody without the necessary tools. Like if you have somebody, he's cheap but doesn't have the tools, that's not a good idea because he doesn't have the tools again for a reason. Then you're gonna have to buy the tools, and he's not gonna do a professional job most of the time. More often than not, you're not gonna see a good job. And that's it for today. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope that helped you. This is Kamal with Quality Properties. If you have a house that you want to sell and you don't want to fix it, call me. My number is 850-346-4995. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.